So I've just woken up from a nap, but my new hairdryer is here. I got it off Amazon. It was on, I think it was on offer. It was only like $24.99. I'm gonna open it and I'll be right back. I only ordered it yesterday and it's came already, and I've got the box open and here we go. So you've got your little instruction manual. It's got a interchangeable head, so one of the skinny ones, and then I'm trying to get it out. It's a nightmare. So it's kind of similar to the Dyson ones where you've got like your different settings, but this is it, and it's a lot more compact than like the really long ones like the one that I had before. But yeah, I am so excited to give it a try. So oh my god, that's so powerful. And that's only on setting 1, so this is on cool setting, and then you change the modes. So you've got a 57 degree, a warm, oh, it's like a mix. Oh, that's so cool. That is powerful. Oh my god, this is crazy. This is so much better than the one I had, and I've had my Tresemme for years. I am so excited about this, and this was so cheap as well. Oh, what an absolute steal.